Hello and welcome back. Today I want to refine the behavioral states we added earlier. Where is that? These ones. Um, we already went and talked about it with ChatGPT. I'm sorry about that. And yeah, the problem is AI looks decisive but not reactive. Actually, AI doesn't even look that decisive either. So they decide something, but they change their mind every 0.12 seconds. Also, I want to add a lot more weapons here and maybe spread them apart randomly or give them a reason to choose different weapons. Maybe, I don't know. Because these two guys are always running for the spears because these triangles are picking up all the swords. Yeah, yes. So okay, let's see. Reaction logs. That's what we need. Um, when they take damage, they will switch to retreat, lock it for 0.4 to 0.8 seconds. The longer the better, actually, because running away for just 1 second, it will make them run away from here to there. Maybe we wouldn't want them to circling around the arena all the time. Increment and miscount. Um, so we can do that by I swung, but my weapon didn't. My weapon's area 2D didn't detect any characters to these. Yeah, maybe that might work. But for that to work, we have to remove friend fire as well. Hmm. Okay, we might have to refine this a little bit more, or maybe add something to the weapons or the actors when I hit a teammate. Just ignore all of the code. So weapons have to check team IDs now. Okay, we will see. When AI successfully lands damage, lock engage for 0.61 second. Yes. AI smells blood. I love this line. And commits instead of dancing away. Perfect. Let's. Yeah. Reaction logs. I want to test one by one. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT came up with. Normal distance-based state logic can't override it until the lock expires. Hmm. Okay, let's find these states first. Yeah, state. Okay. Pick down the lock time during physics process delta. Let's find physics. Physics process delta. Yes, we are here. Um, okay, we are going to have to add a new one because it has another condition. I honestly hate when it doesn't fix the indentation. Make AI update state delta do nothing while lock. Okay, AI updates at the top of. Okay. Um, I know it's wrong to indent. Yes, I did it like that. Trigger the lock when AI takes damage. Okay, take. Um, can we remove hesitation? Ah, um, I don't know if we need hesitation. We might remove it later. So let's see if it works as ChatGPT put it. So we are going to have to add some more conditions to this because they just take a hit and retreat, which isn't that decisive or reactive. So we're going to say things like if you take a hit and your HP is lower than some amount, you are allowed to retreat. And I think I gave this guy too much armor last time. You know what? I'm going to change all armor values of everyone. Since this guy is the biggest, it will have biggest armor, and you will have the lowest, and you will be the same, and you will have the highest. Okay. Um, no, retreat looks fine. The conditions which allow the retreat looks weird. But it will be something like, yeah, hit triggers the retreat. Every hit triggers the retreat. So you can, if you are to take control of player, take control as the player, you can retreat, yeah, before they attack you. Right now, the range matters. And I can make my own guys retreat as well. Okay, now weapons work better. Oops, oops. I am making them retreat. Yeah, this is something like this. This one feels too cheaty as of now, but we will make this smarter in Version 0.8 and 9 maybe. This is just a proof of concept. So let's see what else we can came up with. So uh AI triggers retreat with each hit. That's not really good. It can be cheesed again. And one of the goals of version 0.7 is limiting cheese strategies. I I know players are known to exploit things. Um, that's why I want to limit exploitation as much as possible. That's why I want this to be not run on every hit. Because right now it looks like this. Who strikes first wins the fight. Especially if you are faster. They hit. Yeah, AI is not doing a good job of that. But I showed you that already. They hit and their opponent runs away. They keep chasing. They hit again. Opponent runs away again, etc., etc., which is not good at all. So, roll chance to retreat. Chance increases if HP is low and you took a lot of recent damage. Cooldown, maybe unnecessary. So, yeah, not continuous decay. Okay, they retreat more often. Yeah, this is uh, what you would do if you were a player. If the AI was kicking your ass, let's say, you would start retreating and looking for better openings. Uh, these will later. Successfully chanced. Yeah, next easy reaction is the opposite. Successful hit chance to stay engaged in engaged longer. Because if you land a hit, it's more likely that you would try to make a combo of that and start hitting again. And that will really pair with the AI's retreating function. So just give me a second so I can add these into the code and I'll be right back. Okay, let's try this one, how it works. Um, okay, it seems like they are still retreating, but we can fix that by adding ourselves into the game. Okay, there we're there, right there. I hit the triangle twice, but didn't run away when it took and when it got left 16 HP, but it did run away when it got 5 HP. So and then someone is killed. So this is working better. We can fine tune these numbers later on to make them retreat less. Um, chance to stay engaged longer. Yeah, we are going to do the aggression lock right now. So just let's do that. So I went ahead and checked the things ChatGPT wants us to add into the code, but but this is assuming that even a hit on teammates will trigger this. So, as I mentioned before, healthy, more aggressive, low HP. Yeah, that makes sense. So, let me fix the friendly fire issue first. So, I'm going to ask you for a little bit more when I type in this message. Okay, so there are the here it is. These are the friendly fire removers, basically. Let's change everything. Is it because yeah, this was because of the colon, right? Yeah. And I'm pretty sure ChatGPT made the same mistake inside this one as well. Yeah, exactly. Um okay. If actor parent and actor parent has what AI on it. Why is this one optional later? Okay, no, let's see how this works right now. I want to take out these guys first. And I want to check if I can deal any friendly fire. So, nope, no more friendly fire. And let's take these. Yes. The swords are also preventing the friendly fire. Perfect. Now let's go back. Um, and let's add these for the aggression lock. Let's go back to script and actor script. Where are those? The AI commits? No. Rate chance. Oops. This is all about rate. Moment smooth thinking. Yes, right before here. Let's add these Tick down timers in physics process delta. Physics process delta. If not is player momentum window. Okay. Why does it do that all the time? And this one has to be this. No? Yes. Okay. Actor script this function. Let's add it to the ends. Okay, build momentum. Okay, notify the attacker when a hit. No weapons, find the actor holding the weapon as actor parent and then call body take damage. Just add one line after that to notify the attacker. Okay, control body, body point take. Weapons, find the actor. What? Apply hit. If target, it's not body, it's target. Okay, change body with target, take damage or variable direction, body global position, normalize body take target take damage. Notify attackers AI that it successfully landed a hit. Oh wait, this is the part we changed. But it just changed all targets, all of the apply hits. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, no. This is the same. If actor parent and actor parent has method, AI on landed hit, actor parent dot AI landed on hit, parenthesis target. This is the exact same. So we can just add this. Again, why did you even use space? We don't use space, we use tab. Um, if body has methods and this indentation is right here and this one is here. Okay, let's do that in sort actually, and this one as well, even this one. I want things that look clean. Perfect. This is the aggression look, right? Okay, so now we have an aggression lock as well. Okay, they killed me, and this looks this looks this looks really this looks really clean, but zero damage, zero like my allow friend hits but to zero damage, zero knockback. Well, it would still trigger the retreat function for whoever taking the damage and aggression function for whoever hitting them. Okay, I'm going to talk about this with ChatGPT. Maybe we will find a better way to deal with this. Right now, behavioral states works as intended, and we refine them a little bit better. Maybe we can do more later on. For now, it's really good. We will add other behavioral states and add conditions to them as well. We can add multiple conditions to them. We will work on those later on though. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Take care.